Hi everyone, Reece from Phillis Ford here in Christies Beach. Just shooting a quick video on one of our new arrivals. This is our absolutely stunning and optioned to the moon 2020 Ford Puma in the stunning solar silver. It's got the nice alloy wheels. It does have a few factory options here, like the panoramic sunroof, which I'll show you when we get inside. It's got wireless phone charging. It's got the park pack, so it gives you blind spot monitoring and a few other things as well. Obviously the standard features like the backup camera. As you see, this is a Ford genuine dealer car, so it's actually from Ford Motor Company Australia, and then it's sent out to the dealers to then on sell. So it's been driven by a Ford executive for around 24,000 kilometers, so really low Ks. You get the balance of all the factory warranties and everything that comes with purchasing a new Ford steel, and it's in immaculate condition. It has a full service history, and of course it's been absolutely looked after by Ford Motor Company. So you can't ask for anything better than a car owned by the manufacturer, because you know they've done everything to the proper standards. As we come in, you see it's got cloth interior. These are light SUV of the year for the last 2 or 3 years. So they've won lots of awards. They're just full of heaps of tech. They're a small motor, so they're a 1 litre 3-cylinder automatic. So they get about 4.5-5 litres per 100. So incredible fuel economy. It's like having a hybrid in those sort of emissions and fuel economy. But cheap for servicing as well. But you get all your modern stuff like auto headlamps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Like I said, all the cameras and sensors, navigation is standard. This one's option with the, like say, wireless phone charger, all your climate stuff there. And then you got your dual sunroofs. So as I open this one up, and it all slides back as well. So that will go through. And then in the second row, there's another sunroof. So a lovely factory option there. You've got ISOFIX points for the seats, so you can put child seats in, and a really modern design for all the seats in the interior there. And there you go, your park pack, which gives you the park assist. So that will help you do certain maneuvers, so reverse parallel parking, everything like that. It's got all its books and documentation, of course. You've got the blind spot monitoring there, but it's just a very, very nice example of a car. Has been looked after, like I say. You get great fuel economy. It's got a nice digital dash there. They're a beautiful drive. If you've never driven one, I would recommend obviously having a look and having a drive, but they're tremendous value. Like I say, this one's only done 24,000 Ks. Priced at 25,990. That is a lot of car for a car that's only 2 or 3 years old, with heaps of features, heaps of tech, push button start, auto wipers, all that sort of stuff, all in this vehicle. So this one is available now. You can contact me on 0490 479 466. Thank you.